Hi guys, this is a trade recap from Thursday, which YouTube accidentally removed. And I'm sharing here so that you can see the full breakdown. And as always, this is educational use only and not financial advice. So let's jump in. Quick scalps are fine, but real growth comes from holding through structure when the chart proves it. Today on CWD, I stayed in the trade for over an hour, right through a 50 EMA defense, and then into our $3.30 target zone. That patience turned a simple move into a $1,500 win that only took about an hour. And it's all about the why. First, a quick reminder. Yesterday, I didn't trade, and that wasn't hesitation. It was discipline. Nothing confirmed, nothing lined up, and most importantly, there was no entry that gave me a reward 3 times my risk. So I protected my account, and that's part of predictive trading. A no-trade day is never wasted. It's positioning yourself for when the evidence stacks, like it did today. You voted for entry timing in yesterday's YouTube poll, so let's talk about it. Today, my entry was early in the 5:22 a.m. Mountain Time candle at $2.28. Why? Because volume had shifted, wicks were defending, and price coiled along the 9 EMA before breaking out. Most traders didn't enter until the 5:40 a.m. Pied Piper candle, that tall green bar that screams, "Buy me!" But by then, that risk to reward ratio that I use in my asymmetric compounding strategy, it was gone. Predictive timing isn't about speed. It's about patience until proof shows up. Proof showed up at 5:22 a.m., not 5:40. My entry was $2.28. My exit was $3.25 on this candle right here, just below the target. My stop was $2.20 over here. My risk was only 8 cents per share. My reward, 97 cents per share. Time in trade, 66 minutes. Result, 42.5%. Total profit, $1,501.50. And here's why this worked. Volume shift. The buyers didn't trickle in. They overwhelmed the sellers. That's predictive continuation, not hindsight. Wick defense. Those tails off the 50 EMA weren't decoration. They were the story. Buyers holding the line. EMA integrity. That 50 EMA became the battleground. When it held, it told me continuation was still on the table. Daily target. Our Discord alert called out the consolidation target at $3.30. When structure holds and volume agrees, that target isn't hope. It's high probability. The copycat king and Pied Piper wants you to bail the first time you see a red candle or to chase that first time you see a green candle color. Both are traps. My 66-minute hold wasn't about ignoring fear or greed. It was about ignoring the Pied Piper and the copycat king trader. I stayed because the chart kept proving buyers were in control. That's predictive, not reactive. Patience without proof is gambling. Patience with proof is power. Did you know more than half of all retail traders sell too early before the real move begins? Institutions know this and design liquidity traps around it. If you learn to read defense and continuation, you stop being the liquidity and start taking it. No trade days protect capital for high confidence setups. Entry timing is about proof, not about chasing the Pied Piper or copycat king. Wick defense at the 50 EMA is predictive continuation. Daily targets give you a reason to hold, not gas. Asymmetric compounding, 42% in one trade and $1,500 added. So here's how our truck fund looks. Our starting balance was $513, and after today's trade, our fund is currently at $5,031.61. That's 6.2% toward the truck goal. So guys, if you're serious about leveling up your trading game and achieving a 95% win rate, join us today at MomentumStockTraders.com. Here's what you get when you join, and it's everything I'm using every single day in each of my trades. You get live trade guidance, and I walk you through every single trade every single day. You get our custom scanners and charting tools, the same ones I use to spot the setups before they make that big move. You get access to our amazing private Discord channel, and this is where the action happens. You get AI-assisted alerts so that you're never left guessing when things are heating up. You get those key institutional levels, not the retail stuff. These are real levels where the institutions position their trades, and you'll get full breakdowns of each trade at the end of every day so that you can actually learn why a trade worked. But best of all, you're going to get real-time one-on-one mentoring from me personally and be a part of a fantastic community of really serious day traders. So who is this for? This is for any trader who is serious about leveling up their game. It's for struggling traders who've been struggling with profits that are too small and losses that are too big, or struggling with inconsistency in their win rate. So if that's you, this is the place for you, because this program solves all of those struggles. This is not a copy my trades service. It's real education. It's real trade guidance. It's a real platform to help you grow your skills and your edge. And guys, here's a brutal fact. If you're copy trading, you're just reacting to somebody else's click. That's emotional trading. That's not a strategy. You're already late for the game. What's our edge? Insider chart reading skills that actually fuels the action, not reaction. Our edge is profit, not panic. Our community inside is crushing it every single day. So if you're ready to stop second guessing yourself and start trading with clarity, join us at MomentumStockTraders.com right now. And thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today. I hope you found this video helpful. And remember, trade smart, trade patient, and trade focused. And let's grow those small accounts together. And I'll see you in the next video.